Now let's talk about silicon carbide batteries. Now silicon carbide batteries are basically lithium-ion batteries similar to them, but instead of the graphite anode that uses lithium-ion, we see silicon carbide used. Now this is a bit of a game changer because in these batteries you can basically pack more density into a certain space. I think that's how it works. Basically, if you have a battery that's a 4000 milliamp hour, for the same size, you could pack a 4500 or a 5000 milliamp hour. So basically, you're getting a bigger battery, and plus there are other advantages like these batteries do not heat up that much compared to regular batteries. So basically, the battery life will last longer because, as we know, when phones batteries heat up, the chemicals change quickly, and the battery percentage drops quickly. But that won't be that much of an issue in this phone, especially in larger, more powerful phones when you're using the camera and gaming and all that. And plus, these batteries apparently last longer. I mean, they degrade slower than regular batteries, so which means the battery in your phone will be good for a lot. If the battery in your phone was good for 2 years, maybe it'll be 2.5 or 3 or something like that, which is a huge benefit considering how much you're paying for phones and all, and how rarely you upgrade your phone. So that's another big advantage. And plus, because the earlier mentioned heat element, you can make it support really fast charging, which is also another big upgrade. Now I think this is huge because imagine if phones like the Samsung Ultra phones or the Pro Max iPhones were to get this battery. Now, as of now, they're still using the regular batteries, but those batteries give great battery life because the way Samsung and Apple optimizes it. Both these phones easily last a day with the regular battery. So imagine if they managed to put in a bigger battery that actually lasts even longer and charges super quickly. I mean, you could easily look at a day and a half or maybe in 2 days, and that's a big deal, especially for their flagships, because people buying flagships, they're probably not going to upgrade anytime soon. They're probably looking at 3 or 4 year cycles depending on the condition of the phone. And the big reason why some people upgrade their phones is the battery, because the battery does degrade, and after a certain point, even if the phone's working perfectly, you're getting tired of charging it up all the time. And this potentially solves that. The battery will last longer, and you can put even faster charging in there, so even if after the battery degrades, you can still charge it quickly, so it kind of balances it out. This is honestly, I think, a huge deal, especially for people who buy the Ultra phones, because the cameras in those phones heat up a lot because a lot of processing going down, big sensors and all that, especially doing video recording, and this can really help with that. So yeah, this is a huge deal, and I hope the Ultra phones and the Pro Maxes get it soon.